Operand evaluation refers to the process of determining the values of operands in an expression before applying operators to them. An operand is a value or variable on which an operator acts. The order in which operands are evaluated can significantly affect the result of an expression. For instance, in expressions with incrementing or modifying variables, the sequence of evaluation may lead to different outcomes. Understanding operand evaluation is crucial for grasping how expressions are calculated and how different operators interact with operands to produce results.